Craving something fun for dinner this week? Meet the classic Vietnamese Banh Mi and everyone's favorite Wisconsin staple, Bratwurst sandwich. Let's make a brine for the brats to infuse some Vietnamese flavors into the Midwestern brats. Lightly score the brats 3 times, just enough to break the casing. Combine water, salt, sugar, garlic, and jalapeno and heat it over medium heat until that sugar dissolves. Pour over the brats and let them sit for at least 30 minutes. Now let's prep those vegetables. We're going to start with dicing up some carrots. Grab your mandolin and then thinly slice the jalapeno. And then we'll move on to the cucumbers. And then give them a good dice. Another Banh Mi topping favorite is thinly sliced radishes. Combine all the diced and sliced veggies and you're going to use a little fish sauce, sugar, and vinegar. Toss them together and let them sit as long as you can. For the perfect Banh Mi sauce, we're going to use mayo, whole grain mustard, rice vinegar, and 5-spice powder. Remove the brats from the brine and place in the hot pan. Once they're seared and nicely brown on all sides, add the brine and cook for 15 minutes until the temperature reaches about 160 degrees, and then they're done. Time to assemble those sandwiches. First, we're going to take some of that beautiful sauce and we're going to spread it on both sides of the toasted bun. Add the brats and start to put the marinated vegetables right on top. Some of my favorite toppings are to garnish with cilantro and Thai basil. Now it's time to dive right in.